Hello, I'm Khushbu. The sentences given in each question, when properly sequenced, form a coherent paragraph. Each sentence is labeled with 1, 2, 3, and 4. Choose the most logical order of sentences from among the given choices to construct a coherent paragraph. Sentence 1 is, in recent decades, however, parties have declined in importance in US politics has been characterized by candidate-centered rather than party-centered campaigns. Sentence 2 is, last comes the volunteers who do the basic jobs, mailing campaign literature and ringing doorbells and work for the candidate because they believe in him or her. Sentence 3 is, campaigns for major offices are now managed not by party leaders but by paid professionals who are the equivalent of public relations consultants in the business world. And sentence 4 is, below them are unpaid but trusted friends of the candidate who provide advice and money. Now here we can simply make out that sentence 1 is the most general sentence and hence is the opening sentence of the paragraph as it introduces the main topic of the paragraph, that is campaigning. Further, sentence 3 follows sentence 1 as it elaborates the first point, that is about the campaigns and how they are managed. Next, sentence 4 follows sentence 3 which talks about the next level, that is level next to the paid professionals, which is unpaid but trusted friends. And finally, the last sentence is sentence 2. This can simply be inferred by the first word of this sentence, that is last come the. And so, the sequence that we get is 1, 3, 4, 2 and therefore the required answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Khushbu. In the question here, we need to arrange the given 4 sentences into an order so that they form a coherent paragraph. Sentence 1 is, Albert Camus earned a worldwide reputation as a novelist and essayist. Sentence 2 is, through his writings and in some measure against his will, he became the leading moral voice of his generation during the 1950s. Sentence 3 is, he won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1957. Sentence 4 is, at the height of his fame, Camus died in an automobile accident near Sens, France on January 4, 1960. Now here clearly, sentence 1 is the introductory sentence as it introduces Albert Camus. Further, with the help of the years mentioned in sentences 2, 3 and 4, we can arrange them in order starting from 1950, then 1957 and lastly 1960. And so, the sequence that we get is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाइए. Hello, I'm Khushbu. In the question here, we need to arrange the given 4 sentences into an order so that they form a coherent paragraph. Sentence 1 is, approximately 89% of the country is virtually unsettled. Sentence 2 is, about 80% of this number live within 160 km of the US border on the south. Sentence 3 is, because of these vast tracts of virtually uninhabited northern forests and tundra, Canada has one of the lowest population densities in the world. And sentence 4 is, Canada has a total population of more than 27 million or approximately 1/10 that of the US. Clearly, sentence 4 is the opening sentence of the paragraph as it introduces Canada and its total population, that is 27 million. Further, sentence 4 should be followed by sentence 2 as here this number refers to 27 million. Therefore, 2 has to follow 4. It cannot follow any of the other sentences because it first needs the definition of this number which has been stated only in statement 4. 2 is next followed by 1 which talks about the virtually unsettled population, and finally the paragraph is concluded by sentence 3 which elaborates point 1, that is by talking about those virtually uninhabited population. And so the sequence that we get is 4, 2, 1, 3, and hence the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.